As we all know, the One UI 8.5 beta update has officially been released in some specific countries, and for now, it's limited to the Galaxy S25 series, excluding the Galaxy S25 Edge. As with every new update, fresh bugs, issues, and unexpected problems have started to surface. This time as well, several users are reporting that their battery life has been affected after installing the One UI 8.5 update. However, surprisingly, this time only a very small number of users have reported battery issues so far. In fact, many users who have already shared their battery reviews are reporting improved battery life instead of a decrease. If you're one of those users whose battery life has been affected, meaning it has decreased after the beta update, then this video is for you. If you're using the One UI 8.5 beta or waiting for the stable release in 2026, Samsung has introduced an improved power-saving feature to help extend battery life. To enable it, go to Settings, Battery, and then Power Saving, then turn it on. In One UI 8.5, power saving now comes with two modes, Standard and Maximum. Standard mode works just like the older power saving. It limits CPU speed, lowers brightness, turns off always-on display, switches the refresh rate to 60 Hz, enables dark mode, and reduces screen timeout. You can customize these options by tapping the gear icon. The new maximum mode goes a step further. Along with all standard limits, it restricts background activity and notifications, allowing only essential apps or apps you manually select to run. Maximum mode isn't meant for daily use, but it's perfect when your battery is critically low. On the Galaxy S25, Samsung estimates it can last up to 2 days and 18 hours with around 90% battery. Keep in mind, this upgraded power-saving feature is currently exclusive to the One UI 8.5 beta on the Galaxy S25 series. That's it for today. Now, what are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, tell us, after the One UI 8.5 beta update, has your battery life been affected in a negative way, or has it actually improved? Share your battery life experience with us in the comments. As always, we'll meet again in the next video. Peace out.